Before changing the battery, you'll need to check for this code first, so join me for a full step-by-step battery replacement with info on the battery size and what to do after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. To remove the positive is easier than it looks. Just loosen the nut down here to release the clamp. Now if you tried removing the battery, just put the car back down and loosen the retaining bracket down here at the base of the battery first. Then unplug the vent tube. Slide the new battery under this retaining lip, connect the vent tube and install the bracket. So we're basically doing the installation in the reverse order. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. As recommended by the battery manufacturer, a 60 amp hour EFB battery was installed, so just check with your supplier for the best suitable battery in your region. You should have no warning lights on the instrument cluster after installation. But you might need a radio code which can be found in the service booklet. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.